Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to change a black background to white in Photoshop step by step. Apply step 1. Open your image with black background, then selection tool, magic wand tool, tolerance 10 or 32. Example, use 10, then click outside with black background, then select it on a black background. Then secondly, quick selection tool, select inverse selection. Again, refine its radius, smooth, draw smoothly, okay. Contrast, use contrast or not use smoothness perfectly, shift its. Okay, then output to layer mask or new layer. Example, use layer mask, then click OK. Okay, then create a new layer, down, solid color, white. Thanks for watching video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.